Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be going over the 20 tips to become a top affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic tool for making a lot of money online without even needing your own product. If you get this right, you can have large sums rolling into your account without even needing to lift a finger. But to make the most of this, you need to have the right approach. Now, you've read the book and you're all set up. Read these 20 tips to get one step ahead. Tip number 1. Choose a unique product. If your product or some similar product is being sold by every internet marketer on the web, then don't expect it to stand out. Choose something new. Tip 2. Find a route to market. A route to market is a direct line of communication with your ideal target audience. Find this first, then choose the product. Tip 3. Think about the audience. Who is it that buys this type of product? Are they easy to sell to? Tip 4. Don't only target marketers. The internet marketing niche is oversaturated with affiliate products. Try something new. Tip 5. Use questions in your sales script. Questions force us to reflect on what we've read and are engaging as a result. Tip 6. Use a narrative structure. We have evolved to love stories and will often read them through to the end. Tip number 7. Read for breakpoints. Read your sales script. Are there any points where your attention wanders? Tip number 8. Do direct marketing and content marketing at the same time. You can sell through PPC and build your audience at once. Tip 9. Use social bookmarking sites. Reddit is a great place to generate traffic. Tip 10. Include the price in your ad titles. This will filter clicks and improve your ROI. Tip 11. Try cost per action marketing. This only charges when someone actually buys. You'll need to discuss this with your product owner though. Tip 12. Contact sellers and ask if they have an affiliate program. Want to sell a product but don't see an affiliate program? Get in touch and ask. Tip 13. Consider giving away a free ebook. Free ebooks can be monetized with lots of referral links. Tip 14. Put your referral link in a guest post. Likewise, you can get direct sales by creating guest posts and including your link in those. Tip 15. Or a solo ad. Ditto with a solo ad, an email sent to another marketer's mailing list. Tip 16. Try influencer marketing. Both these are examples of influencer marketing, but there are some more. This means using someone else's authority to sell your product. Tip 17. Target heavily with Facebook ads. When using Facebook ads, always filter by age, sex, location, marital status, interests, and more. Tip 18. Have multiple affiliate products to sell. You don't need to put all your eggs in one basket. Take a fail fast approach and sell a lot. Tip 19. Prioritize list building. Your mailing list is your biggest asset in affiliate marketing. Tip 20. Choose products you believe in. This will make it easier for you to sound enthusiastic and it will be more rewarding. I hope these 20 tips to become a top affiliate marketer helps you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments section what was your favorite tip. Thanks!